you're worthy of loving. Anyway, today we're ripping the bone stock dicky seat out of the 3SGE Altezza. We're putting in a new bucket seat that I have acquired. That's a big word, acquired. I've acquired a new bucket seat that I'm going to put in this car. So hopefully that goes swell. And then, then we'll undo the seat and hopefully we'll put it in. That was English. My calculations are correct. We're just going to transfer it to the GoPro now. I probably look like a twat like this, but it is what it is, I say. I cut my cable ties that holding my fire extinguisher in, because we're all about safety on the Patch Astwood YouTube channel. Just all about safety. We wouldn't want anything going horribly wrong now, would we? Near enough. We do some YouTube magic right about now. So here we have the old box. S-brand I was talking about, however you pronounce it. We got this box. Assuming this is seat rails. Tight fit. If anybody wants this box, it's for sale. Very nice. So this is my first time putting a seat in, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm assuming that goes on the floor. So these covers came off. I'm assuming this is like a 14, so we'll see if my calculations are correct. This should undo. The torque setting to this is probably like, yeah, that's tight enough. 14 as well. Bruh. Ugh. And then there's a wire under here, and I'm assuming that wire is for the seatbelt doohickey thing. There's a chicken by my side, chicken by my side. How many GoPro batteries are we going to go through in this video? I'm hoping just one. I'm in my car. Bolts. Everyone lose your bolts. This should lift up. Okay, yep, that lifts up. That was quite sketchy, wasn't it? Oh, we're just stretching wires. That's really convenient. There's a clip here, and I was trying to figure out how it came out. I thought it came out here, like this come off, but then it turns out if you push this, it kind of just undoes. That shows how dumb I am. And this time we're going to figure out how this comes out. I feel like you just pull it. Calculations could be wrong. I do not know what I'm doing. If in doubt, cut it out. Here we go. That thing. Ugh. Well, it turns out I didn't actually just film the last clip because I'm a bit cooked like that. But what I did was I just cleaned under my seat and I found 10 cents. That was pretty cool. Safety first. So what we're doing now is going to drill these out. Because as you can see, this is the bolt we're using. So drilling it out to like, I think it was like 8mm. Windy wind this in, it's bottoming out, so we've done a few washers to space it, and so this doesn't leave the chat and go inside the bracket. So we'll just take a couple mil off this next, and then we should be a-okay. Drillings. Is this filming? Yep. We're hashtag drillings.
I was going to say you're blunting the drill but going too quick.
Oh, look at this, we got some neo-chromings. Deburrings. Cuttings. We just cut this down, so now this should work. We cut a bolt. A bolt is what holds stuff together. This is what we've done, so we've drilled that out and we cut these down. So we've got a washer and then a bolt and then another washer. Reason for not ripping this, because if this rips I'm probably going to have a tantrum. It's not going to be pretty, so do that on all four and then bolty bolt in the car. So we're going to see if the seatbelt thing works. So we want a Phillips screwdriver thing. Undoings with a Z. The seat is broken like every other Altezza seat. Mean. Undoings. Oh, we dropped a screw. Currently not know what I'm doing. There we go. I feel like that's like a 14 or a 15. 14 is it? Yo, 14. That was really tight. Well, that dropped. We're tightening these up and we're barely nipping them. Like, it's pretty much just a little bit over finger. Like, barely any. Now, just got to find a way to mount my seatbelt bracket in. So it's all mounted on. With the seat belt, this is what we come up with. A bit of tape around here to hold it. Cable tie, and then plug in, and it should be sweet. Oh, big old C in here. Jump in it. Ooh. See how this thing will work the seat belt. Oh yeah. That's actually perfect. Sadly, that is the end of this video, but good news, there will be another video coming in the future that you could either support or stalk. But on the supporting or stalking, if you want any Arrogant Industries merchandise, I think you peoples, you folk, whatever you are, you know the deal. Instagram, face pagey thing, down there, click, support, stalk, buy, not buy, entirely up to you. Admittedly, there's probably better things you can spend your money on, like gas. I think it's going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully people enjoyed, and thank you all very, very, very much for watching, and have a blessed rest of your day. And until next time, sayonara.